All right, once we have control of that knee flexion and knee extension with those drills, we're gonna put it all together by holding it, doing what we call a knee car, or that controlled articular rotation. So it's gonna look like you can, again, lean back in your bed, on your couch, something to support your upper body, grab behind your knee, you're gonna bring your knee in, and you're gonna simply rotate your shin, or your foot, to the outside. You're gonna kick out about 3/4 of the way, turn your ankle in, and come back down. Then you're gonna keep your ankle pointed in as you trace up, rotate out, come down. It's almost like you're trying to draw a rainbow with your foot. Just trying to get your shin to rotate in, shin to rotate out. Getting that knee and your shin used to rotating and flexing and extending in a controlled manner before we start using those muscles.